to remove the background noise in the CapCut. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can fix the audio quality in the CapCut videos. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go and open up your CapCut application. So now once you're in the CapCut, here you have to go in the projects and you have to select the project. So once you select the project, here you have to select the video. You just have to click on it and you have to make sure that you deselect the other things and you have to select the video. So once you select it, you just have to go in the options and here you have to scroll on the right side and here is the option of the reduce noise. You just have to click on it and here you have to turn on this reducing noise icon and click on this arrow. And after that, if you want to enhance the voice, for that you have to scroll to the left side and here is the option of the enhance the audio. You have to click on it. Now basically it will enhance your voice. You just have to allow the CapCut to collect your voice information to enhance the voice. So you just have to allow the CapCut and after that the enhance voice button will be toggled on and your voice will be enhancing. So it will remove all of the noise from your background and once it is done you just have to toggle on it and click on this arrow icon to confirm your changes. So this is how you can remove the background noise from your CapCut videos and enhance your videos background. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.